Are you ready to uncover a secret that could redefine your golden years? A simple tweak to your morning ritual that holds the power to turn back the clock on your body's strength and vitality. What if I told you that the key to unlocking a future free from the fear of frailty and dependence isn't in some expensive, hard-to-find supplement, but potentially swirling in your favorite morning mug? You're about to discover how your daily cup of coffee can become a potent ally in the fight against age-related muscle loss, a silent thief that robs you of your independence day by day. Imagine a life where climbing stairs doesn't leave you breathless, where getting out of a chair is an effortless motion, and where the fear of a debilitating fall becomes a distant memory. This isn't a fantasy, it's a potential reality we're going to explore together. We'll delve into 5 simple yet powerful ingredients that you can add to your morning coffee. These aren't just random suggestions, they are backed by a growing body of scientific research. As we journey through this, you'll find that the 5th and final addition is the most surprising of all, a common kitchen staple that could be the game changer you've been searching for. So stay with me, because the next few minutes could genuinely change the course of your health and empower you to reclaim the strength and stability of your youth. The unseen threat confronting age-related muscle loss. It's a stark reality that as we celebrate more birthdays, our bodies undergo a subtle yet significant transformation. After the age of 50, we can begin to lose 1% to 2% of our muscle mass each year. While this might seem like a small number, its cumulative effect can be profound. By the time you reach 70, you could have unknowingly said goodbye to as much as 40% of the muscle you had in your younger years. This gradual decline, known as sarcopenia, is what makes everyday activities feel more strenuous. That flight of stairs that was once a breeze now feels like a mountain, and the simple act of rising from a chair can leave you feeling unsteady. This isn't just about feeling weaker, it's about the very real and frightening consequences that follow. What is merely challenging today can become an insurmountable obstacle tomorrow. The fear of falling is a constant companion for many seniors, and for good reason. A fall can be a life-altering event, often leading to a rapid decline in independence. Suddenly, the simple acts of daily living, like dressing, bathing, or even using the restroom, can become monumental tasks requiring assistance. This loss of autonomy is a deeply emotional and challenging experience, one that can lead to a future many of us dread. But it doesn't have to be this way. By understanding the forces at play, we can take proactive steps to safeguard our strength and preserve our independence for years to come. Chapter 1: The Foundational Strength of Almond Milk. Our first step in fortifying your morning coffee begins with a simple yet powerful addition: almond milk. As we age, the dynamic duo of magnesium and calcium becomes increasingly vital for maintaining robust muscle function. Think of your muscles as a finely tuned orchestra. For your biceps to contract, allowing you to lift your arm, they require a signal from calcium. Conversely, for those same muscles to relax and your arm to lower, magnesium steps in to conduct the release. Every movement you make, from walking to climbing stairs, relies on this intricate interplay between contraction and relaxation, constantly drawing upon your body's reserves of these essential minerals. This is where unsweetened almond milk shines as a convenient and effective source of these crucial nutrients. A single cup can provide a significant portion of your daily calcium needs, helping to ensure your muscles have the fuel they need to contract effectively. Furthermore, it offers a valuable dose of magnesium to support the equally important process of muscle relaxation. For many seniors, digestive sensitivities can make traditional dairy milk a less than ideal choice. Almond milk, being naturally lactose-free, offers a gentle yet potent alternative that is easy on the stomach. Beyond its calcium and magnesium content, almond milk brings additional benefits to the table. It is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your muscle cells from damage. It also contains healthy fats that can aid in the absorption of other essential nutrients, and its low sugar content helps to prevent unwanted spikes in blood pressure. Chapter 2: The Metabolic Magic of Cinnamon. The battle against age-related decline has a powerful and perhaps surprising champion: your muscles. The more muscle mass you maintain, regardless of your age, the more efficient your body becomes at managing one of its most critical functions, glucose regulation. Your muscles act as a primary storage site for glucose, the sugar that fuels your body. When your muscles are strong and healthy, they readily absorb glucose from your bloodstream, preventing it from accumulating and causing damage. This is why preserving muscle mass is a key strategy in preventing and managing conditions like type 2 diabetes. Enter cinnamon, a fragrant spice with a remarkable ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. Research has shown that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, making your muscle cells more receptive to glucose. The active compound in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, essentially helps to unlock the doors of your muscle cells, allowing glucose to enter more easily and be used for energy. This not only helps to prevent dangerous blood sugar spikes, but also ensures your muscles have the fuel they need to function optimally. Cinnamon also plays a role in slowing down the rate at which food leaves your stomach, leading to a more gradual absorption of glucose. Furthermore, it can help to increase blood flow to your muscles and reduce inflammation, creating an environment that is conducive to muscle growth and repair. Adding just half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to your morning coffee can be a simple and delicious way to harness these powerful benefits. Chapter 3: The Digestive Power of Ginger. One of the often overlooked hurdles in maintaining muscle mass as we age is the efficiency of our digestive system. You can consume an adequate amount of protein, the essential building block of muscle, but if your body can't effectively break it down and absorb it, your muscles will never receive the nutrients they need. As we get older, our digestive processes can naturally slow down, leading to feelings of bloating and discomfort after meals. This can create a vicious cycle where individuals begin to eat less to avoid these unpleasant symptoms, further depriving their bodies of the protein necessary for muscle maintenance and growth. This is where the warming spice of ginger can make a significant difference. For centuries, ginger has been revered for its digestive soothing properties. The active compound in ginger, gingerol, has been shown to stimulate the digestive process, helping food to move more efficiently through your system. Studies have even suggested that ginger can significantly speed up the rate of digestion. It also aids in the production of digestive enzymes, which are crucial for breaking down the protein you consume into a form that your body can readily absorb and utilize. By adding a teaspoon of ginger powder to your morning coffee, you can help to ensure that the protein you eat at breakfast and throughout the day is effectively delivered to your muscles, providing them with the necessary fuel for growth and repair. Beyond its digestive benefits, ginger is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent, which can help to alleviate the joint stiffness and pain that can often accompany aging. It can also help to soothe an upset stomach and improve circulation, making it a multifaceted ally in your quest for healthy aging. Chapter 4: The Energetic Boost of MCT Oil. As we shift our focus to maintaining strength and vitality in our later years, the importance of consistent, gentle resistance training cannot be overstated. This doesn't mean you need to start lifting heavy weights. Simple exercises like wall sits or repeatedly standing up from a chair can have a profound impact on preserving your muscle mass. The amount of muscle you carry is a powerful predictor of your overall health and longevity. To support these efforts, your muscles need a readily available source of energy, and that's where MCT oil comes in. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, a type of fat derived from coconut or palm oil. What makes MCTs unique is their rapid absorption and conversion into energy. Unlike other fats that go through a lengthy digestive process, MCTs are sent directly to your liver, where they are transformed into ketones. These ketones serve as an immediate fuel source for both your brain and your muscles. This quick energy burst can be particularly beneficial before a light workout, providing your muscles with the power they need to perform. Furthermore, research suggests that regular consumption of MCT oil may have a positive impact on muscle mass and function in older adults. One study found that daily supplementation with MCTs led to improvements in muscle mass and cognitive function in frail elderly individuals. When incorporating MCT oil into your routine, it's wise to start with a small amount, such as 1 teaspoon, and gradually increase as tolerated. This remarkable oil not only provides a quick energy source, but may also help to reduce exercise-induced inflammation and promote a feeling of fullness, which can support healthy eating habits. Chapter 5. The Circulatory Surprise of Cayenne Pepper. The strength of your thigh muscles or quadriceps has a surprisingly direct correlation with your longevity. Strong thighs are essential for maintaining balance and mobility, which in turn allows you to stay active and engaged with the world. When your leg muscles weaken, your risk of falling increases dramatically. And as we've discussed, a fall can have devastating consequences for an older adult. Furthermore, your bones, particularly the large femur in your thigh, play a crucial role in providing minerals for your entire body. Strong muscles help to support strong bones. Therefore, maintaining the health and strength of your leg muscles is of paramount importance. This brings us to our final and most unexpected coffee addition, cayenne pepper. The fiery heat of cayenne comes from a compound called capsaicin, which has been shown to have a remarkable effect on circulation. Capsaicin can help to relax the muscles in your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely throughout your body. Improved circulation means that more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles, including those all-important thigh muscles. Research has indicated that cayenne pepper can enhance blood vessel strength and may even help to reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. When you add a small pinch of cayenne to your morning coffee, the capsaicin gets to work, helping to open up your blood vessels and prepare your muscles for the day's activities. It's important to start with a very small amount, perhaps just 1/8 teaspoon, as cayenne can be quite potent. In addition to its circulatory benefits, capsaicin may also help to lower blood pressure and provide pain relief, making it a powerful and multifaceted addition to your morning routine. Ingredient 5. The longevity spice, cayenne pepper. Now we come to the one ingredient you absolutely cannot afford to miss, the final item that will shock you with its simplicity and profound power, cayenne pepper. The scientific discovery here is startling. Thigh muscle mass has a direct, inverse relationship with how long you live. That is right. The stronger your thighs are and the bigger your quad muscles are, the longer you will live. This matters for 3 massive reasons. First, when your legs get weak, your balance and mobility vanish, leading to social isolation, bad moods, depression, and a lack of vital vitamin D from the sun. Secondly, your bone density drops, and your thighs contain the biggest bone in your body, a critical mineral reserve for your brain. And lastly, the third most common cause of death in older adults is falling, which you are far less likely to do if your leg muscles are strong and help maintain your balance. That is why you need a tiny bit of cayenne pepper in your morning coffee to boost blood flow to your thigh and leg muscles early in the morning. The science behind this is the capsaicin found in cayenne pepper, the compound that makes peppers hot. Capsaicin has been shown to help your arteries work well and helps relax the muscles in your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow easily and efficiently. Research has confirmed that eating cayenne pepper increases circulation, improves blood vessel strength, and even helps reduce plaque buildup in your arteries. When you add a pinch of cayenne to your morning coffee, the capsaicin activates receptors called TRPV1, which physically help open up your blood vessels and send a surge of blood flow to your muscles, especially those crucial thigh muscles. Capsaicin also reduces platelet stickiness, ensuring your blood flows more smoothly and without resistance. You need to be careful with the dosage here. Most people can safely take 2 to 8 milligrams of capsaicin daily, which translates to a small pinch of cayenne pepper, perhaps 1/8 teaspoon to start. A typical sprinkle is only about 0.1 lami, so you truly don't need much. Start small and work your way up because this stuff is potent. But cayenne pepper does far more than just improve blood flow. It can help reduce high blood pressure by relaxing those blood vessels. It may help with pain relief, which is a major benefit for seniors dealing with joint issues. And some research suggests it can even boost metabolism and help with weight management. The improved blood flow to your leg muscles, first thing in the morning, prepares them for the day's activities and supports the muscle strength that quite literally keeps you alive longer. I want to tell you about Margaret, a 68-year-old part-time library worker who was struggling. She was active, she gardened, took long walks, and did light yoga, but she walked into my office looking completely exhausted. "My legs feel like they're made of concrete," she told me, "and I'm so tired all the time." She had started avoiding her friends, embarrassed because she had to stop and rest every few blocks. Things worsened when she called me from the hospital after falling in her own kitchen, nothing broken, but completely shaken up. That is when I recommended she add a small amount of cayenne pepper to her daily routine. Within 2 weeks, I received an excited call. I made it through a whole day at the library without feeling completely drained, and I actually felt like cooking dinner last night. By the end of the first month, she was back to her evening walks, and 6 months later, Margaret was a different person, back in her garden, planting whole flower beds. Her legs felt strong again, and that dizzy, weak feeling when she stood up was completely gone, all from a small, consistent change. Look, I know there are people who will watch this and immediately go right back to their old habits, sticking with sugar and dairy milk because making changes seems too difficult. They will ignore this warning and pay the price of lost independence. But you are not one of those people, are you? You are the type of person who is going to take this information and actually do something with it. You are going to stick with these 5 muscle-supporting additions to your morning coffee consistently. And I want you to come back and tell us how your muscle loss is turning around and how much stronger and steadier you are getting. Because in my very next video, I will share the one thing you should start adding to your drinking water immediately if you do not want to keep wasting your precious muscle. If this video has opened your eyes to how to enjoy the benefits of coffee and you now have a clear action plan to start building strength again, the very least you can do is hit that subscribe button. I've just given you information that could literally transform your life, helping you feel 40 again and potentially saving you thousands in medical bills. Subscribing is free, it takes 1 second, and it helps me continue creating content that changes lives. So please subscribe now, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.